HSR's own research indicates that customers have a low satisfaction when it comes to the reliability of the available real-time trip planning information. This study analyzes the transit app data with HSR data. There are two study locations that are observed in this project. One location was the bus stop at the corner of Mount Albion Road and Stonechurch Road, and the other was the bus stop on the corner of Parkdale Avenue and Roxborough Avenue. This is an aerial shot of the two bus stops. Arrival time data from the transit app was compared with published bus schedules and GPS data of bus arrival times provided by HSR.
This graph shows the transit data for one location and for the PM peak. The blue circles indicate where data was consistent for 4 or more minutes. There's 4 instances on this graph, and these occurred at arrival times. The purple circles indicate times where the transit app jumped greater than 3 minutes from minute-to-minute readings. There are 3 instances where that occurred on this graph, and those coincided to timings when the HSR bus was running late.
This is an example from our study for Route 44 eastbound PM data. For instance, we can see that at 4:15 p.m., transit app shows that the bus arrived 18 minutes late, while the GPS showed the bus arrived actually 3 minutes earlier. For other routes, we also found high percentage of data inconsistency. So let's take a look at the summary chart in the next slide. We can see that for eastbound 44, more than 30% of our data from transit app were not compliant with the HSR GPS. For westbound, difference percentage becomes smaller, around 18%. For Route 11 northbound, the differences were 20%. However, for Route 11 southbound, transit app's data is highly compliant with the HSR GPS data.
This information is for northbound Route 11 and eastbound Route 3. The maroon lines indicate differences between the transit app and HSR. What they show is consistently, there's numerous instances where differences were up to 30% between the HSR and transit data, upwards to 50% for the westbound 3, and the differences correlate to greater than 5 minutes in the data sets. So that concludes our presentation. Thank you very much.